Hey, how you doing, everybody? Today, episode 15 of Apex on the Go, and that is your invite and earn tab in your Apex driver app. All right, so what does that mean? Invite, that's inviting people to use the Apex Rider and or Apex Rider app or driver app. All right, in your tab, you go in there, you tap it, and you will see, first you'll see a little list up top. It'll show how many drivers you referred, how many riders, and then how many vendors if you've referred any, okay? And then to actually share your invite link, there's a share button, and on there you just see your code. Like mine says Apex Gonzo, yours will say Apex, and then whatever else you customize your code with. If you didn't customize your code, you're gonna have like 10 digits on there or something. Make sure to write into support or marketing at apexmobileapp.com and ask for a customized code. Let us know what you want us to change it to. Okay. Back to it though, if you go in there and tap the share button, it's going to open up multiple features in your device to share your links. Both the rider and driver link will be in there. You could delete the one you don't want to share if you like. Now you'll notice that your code is always the same. Always share your same code, whether to a rider or a driver. It's just the links that are different if they're doing it that way, okay? And that is that. Oh, what's the earn part mean? All right, the earn part is, of course, if you are referring drivers or vendors, which we'll talk about at the later time, but with drivers specifically, you have the Apex Driver Referral Program. Make sure you check that out. Go to apexmobileapp.com and look for the FAQ or the driver section and look up the details on that referral program so you can see how that works. But of course, we're going to talk more about that later as well. All right, that's all I have today, guys. Thanks for joining me. I'll talk to you real soon.